Here it is, Mount Rinjani, the pride of West Nusa Tenggara. Even from afar, it looks majestic, but when you get closer, wow, it's truly breathtaking. The cool, fresh air, the lush green views, and the Segera Anak Lake that feels like heaven above the clouds. Climbing to the top is tough, but once you see the sunrise from over 3,000 meters high, every step feels worth it. Rinjani isn't just a mountain, it's an adventure you'll remember for a lifetime.